In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can set and change password in Windows 11. Let's jump to the screen. The first thing that we need to do is press on the start button. You can also press the start button in your keyboard and in here type password. You'll see change your password, click on it. And it's also in the settings accounts part. You'll see different ways to sign in, different ways that you can add a password in your device. As an example, you can add a facial recognition, you can add fingerprint, you can add PIN, security key, creating a security key, password, and set picture password. Okay, in this video, I'm just going to talk about picture password, password, and PIN. I will create another tutorial about how you can create a security key for your device. Okay, so let's start with the first one. PIN. The first option that you can use to log in into your Windows is using pins. Okay, on pins you can only use numbers. You cannot use alphabets, you cannot use syntax, and you cannot use words. Alphabet, the same. So if you want to create a pin, before creating pin, you must create a password. Okay, as you can see, I click on it and it says you must add a password before you can use the sign in option. So I click on the password part and press on the add. Okay, if you already have a password, you will see previous password, new password, and recommended. I will show you. In here, type your new password. You need to confirm that and set a hint for it. Okay, set a hint that already you know what's going on. As an example, if you are going to set your password, your birthday, do not type birthday in here because everyone can understand your password is your date of birth. So type something that already you find out what's going on in here. Okay, I just type my name and press on yes, next, not yes, and hit on the finish. With this way, I right now have a password. If I want to change it, I can easily go into this place and press on the change. You need to type your current password. And I hit on the enter instead of pressing next in here. New password, confirm, and set a password hint. I just press on the cancel. With this way, you can create and change your password. Okay, right now we can create a PIN for our device. So I hit on the setup, type my password, and press on the enter or OK. So you can create a new PIN, and I need to confirm it. I press tab on my keyboard. If you press shift plus tab, you can change this, you can move between this box. So I just confirm it. If you want to include letter and symbols, you need to enable this checkbox. If you don't want, you can disable it. And after you press on the OK, your PIN, it will be set up. And you have another way to log in into your PC. So after these two ways, we have another way that is picture password. Okay, I press in picture password and then I hit on the add. Okay, again, I need to type my password and press on the OK. I need to choose a picture for it. So let me choose a picture. As you can see, I choose this thumbnail picture for my Windows picture password. So in here, I just press use this picture. If you want to choose another one, press choose another one. I hit on the use this picture. So we have 3 steps in here, right? So first step, second step, third step. Okay, with hovering your mouse, as you can see, I just right now we are going to confirm it. Okay, this is the first one. I draw a circle with my mouse cursor, and the final one is my face. So all done, we can set a picture password for our device, and I hit on the finish. So we set all of the things. If you want to change your picture password, press on the change, type your password, press on the OK, and if you want to use this previous picture, let it unuse this picture. If you want to change it, press choose new picture. Okay, so I just don't really want to change that and press on the cancel. I press logo plus L to lock my PC. So if I want to log in into my device, I can use a PIN And if I also press on sign in options, I can see picture passport, PIN, and password. So let's try picture passport. As you can see, this is my picture. We are on the road to get 1K subs in YouTube. So if you like this type of contents, don't forget to press the subscribe button. With this way, you can help us to grow this channel faster. If you want, you can also watch this video. On that one, I'm going to tell you 10 Windows useful apps that you must to install them on your operating system. They are cool apps. See you at the next one.